In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide mutual friends on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. If you don't want strangers to see mutual friends with you, or if you don't want to appear in the mutual friends section on other users' pages, then I will tell you how easy it is to hide mutual friends on Facebook. So guys, first off, we need to open up Facebook app and then tap right here to head over to menu. On menu, tap at that gear to open up settings and privacy. And then you need to scroll down until you find that option, how people find and contact you. We need to get into it, and at the second position we can easily find who can see your friends list. In my case, now it is set to public, so guys, now any user can get access to my friends list. However, if we wanna hide our friends list and mutual friends list, all we have to do is just tap right here and then select only me. If we choose only me here, then no one will be able to see our friends list, and as a result, no one will recognize mutual friends with us, because our friends list is hidden now from anyone except us, and Facebook will not show mutual friends on our Facebook page, and it will not show us in someone else's pages. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.